Hello everyone, welcome to the Gurukul's CAT 100 Study Room to Boardroom series. I am Krishna Chaitanya and this is Crack the Logic with KC. Over the next 100 days, you will be solving one hand-picked LRDI set every single day, a mix of basic to advanced questions which cover all the concepts required for CAT. We are also uploading quant and verbal videos as a part of this series. Make sure you watch all the 3 playlists for a complete preparation. To practice under exam pressure, all the sets we are discussing over here across all the sections are available in our website for completely free of cost. Just sign up to www.thegurukul.org.in and you can find a course called 100 Days Race to CAT. And all the sets over here are completely free for you to practice. Remember, CAT exam isn't about how perfect you are, it is about how consistent you are in your preparation. So let's not waste time and quickly jump into the video. Hello guys, welcome to 100 Days to CAT with the Gurukul. So today we'll be solving one more LRDI problem, and before we move on, pause the video, try to solve the problem, and then we'll discuss what is happening in this set. Okay, let's see. Shiva runs a coaching institute where he teaches all subjects to the students of primary school. 10 students have been enrolled in one such coaching batch, and Shiva has conducted a class test on 5 subjects for these students, 5 different subjects. The results of the students in this class test have been tabulated by Shiva using grading system. In grading system A, B, C, D, F, grades fetch 8, 6, 4, 2 and 0 grade points respectively, which means A grade is 8 points, B grade is 6, C grade is 4, D is 2, F is 0, which means fail ideally. The grade point average GPA is the arithmetic mean of the grade points obtained by 5 subjects. For example, if a student received A, B, D, C grades in 5 different subjects, his or her GPA will be 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 by 5, 5.6. Only F grade is considered as the failing grade. The tabular representation of these 10 students' grades and their GPAs are shown below. The names of the students in the table are alphabetical order from top to bottom. Shiva noticed that when he scrolls through the table, no 2 vertical consecutive cells contain the same grade. Some additional information is given with 4 different questions. So let's see, before we move on, few things, note points which we need to understand whatever we learned from this. First thing, if some person got F over here, if this is F, it should not be F. If this is B, this should not be B. The same way, if this is D, this should not be D. If this is C, this should not be C. This is B, this should not be. So no 2 consecutive are of the same grade. That is the first point. Second one, the GPA 3.6 is the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 different subjects by 5 equal to 3.6, which means sum of the 5 different subjects is equal to 3.6 into 5, which is 18. In the second case, that will be 3.2 into 5, which is 16. That's how we convert everything into the normal numbers from GPA to normal score. So let's do that first. Before we start the problem, I want you to convert all the gradings into the normal marks and the GPAs into normal marks. C means 4 marks, A is 8 marks, B is 6 marks, D is 2 marks, F is 0 marks. Quickly do that first. Good. If you do, you'll get a table something like this. Here we have 8. We have A, we wrote 8, we have C, we wrote 4, we have F, we wrote 0, we have D, we wrote 2. That's how we convert everything. Perfect, clear till this point? Very good. Next what? Pfizer did not score grade C in any subject. So for F person, there is no 4 only. Grade C is 4, which means 4 marks is not at all considered for F. Indrajit did not score grade D twice. So Indrajit is already having 1, 2. So there will not be another 2 again. Already 1, 2 is there, not another 2. Jagat failed in at most 1 subject. So Jagat have maximum 1, 0. Okay. Exactly 2 students passed all the exams. So 2 students, no 0. Very good. No student failed in science. So science, we should not get 0 marks for any person. Perfect. Now tell me where to start and how to start. If you look at person Indrajit or F, these are the two people who got maximum marks. So whenever we are solving any questions in this type, we should start with the case where we have the maximum marks. So let's see for F. F got 28 marks. How can we write 28 as a sum of 4 numbers? Because one number 0 is already there. 28 should be sum of 4 numbers. How can we write that? Very good. The only case is 8, 8 and 6. So if I have 28, it should be written as 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6. 16 plus 12. Perfect. 26. Now 6 is there, so 6 cannot come here, it should be 8. 6 is there, it should be 8. So this and this are definitely 6. Okay, one person is done. Next, which person we will start with? Already we are at F, so let's fill up E also. 6 plus 6, 12, 13, 14 is completed. We are left out with 2 more points. So this should definitely 2 and 0 or 0 and 2. 0 cannot come here because 0 is already in the bottom. No 2 consecutive should be. So this should be 0 and 2. E is also done. Next. Very good. Let's look at G. What is happening for G? 20 marks, already 2 marks are gone. We need to have 18 more marks. 18 is sum of 3 numbers. How can we write? So this can be written as 8, 8 and 2, 16 plus 2, or we can write it as 6, 6 and 6. This can be one possibility. Or we can have 8, 6 and 4. These are the 3 different possibilities. Can I write 8, 8 and 8? If I write 8, 8 and 2, not possible. If I write 2, 8 and 8, not possible. 8, 8 and 2, not possible. So the first case is ruled out. Second case, 6, 6 and 6. Already 6 is there, it cannot come. So ruled out. Only possibility will be 8, 6 and 4. 8 cannot come here, 8 cannot come here. So 8 should definitely come here. This will be either 6 or 4. This can be 4 or 6. There is no information for that. Clear? Perfect. Let's look at the next highest number, which is I, 28. How can I write 28 as sum of 4 numbers? Already 2 is gone. So we should write for 26 only. 26 as sum of 4 numbers. Very good. 8, 8, 4, 6. 4 and 6 cannot come here. 6 and 4 cannot come here. So this should definitely be 8 and 8. This will be 4 or 6, 6 or 4. We don't have any information for that. Clear? Very good. Let's look at J. J sum of 2 numbers is already totally 16 and 2 numbers are 12. So remaining number sum should be 4 only. Now how can I write 4? It can be 004 or 040, 404. These are the 3 different cases. Other than this, I can have 202, 022 and 220 also. These are the maximum possibilities for getting 4. Now which one will work here? Last number cannot be 2. Okay, so this is ruled out, this is ruled out. Anything else? They told maximum 10 only. So these 3 are ruled out. Only possibility left out is 2, 2 and 0. So this is 2, this is 2 and this is 0. Very good. We are left out with 1. Next, which one? Now anyway we are done with half of the table. Let's move to wherever you want. Move to C. We already have 4 and 8. 8 plus 4 will be equal to 12. Already completed. We need to have 14 more. For 14, only possibility left out will be 8 and 6 or 6 and 8. There is no other possibility only. We can't get 14 in any other way because maximum number we can take is 8. Very good. C is also done. Now next, what else we can do? Look at option D. Person D. Already 2 is done. We need to have 4. 4 as sum of 3 numbers. 004, 040, 404, 202, 220, 002. Okay, I can't have 0 in this position, so remove last zeros. Very good. I can't have 2 in the last but one position. Anyway, 2 in last but one position is not there. I can't have 6 and 0 in the first position. First position 0 are removed. These are the 3 cases we are left out. 400. 0 in the last position, not possible. So only thing which is left out is 202. So 2, 0 and 2. Perfect. D is also done properly. J is also done properly. This is half done. This is half done. This is also half done. Next, look at option B. Person B. Person B sum is 16. Already 12 is done. So I need to have 4 more as sum of 2 numbers. So this can be 04 or 40 or 22. These are the 3 different possibilities. 4 cannot be here. So 4 in the first position is not possible. Any other thing we can work out? If you observe, I is one person who have all pass mark. And this person no all pass mark. This also it will not be all pass mark. This also not all pass mark. Not all pass, not all pass, not all pass, not all pass. So out of this 2, one person should definitely have all pass marks. I don't know who is that person. But if you observe, this can't be 4 because 4 is already here. So this is also ruled out. We are left out with 2 and 2. So this is also done properly. Now let's look at H. In H we are having already 8 is done. 002, 020, 200. These are the only 3 possibilities. I can't have 2 in the last position. Okay. I can't have 0 in last but one position. Okay. The only possibility left out with 020. 020. This is also done. Now who is the other person who should not have any, who should get all pass mark? The B already got all pass mark. Very good. Now 8 and 4, 12 is already completed. We need to have 6 as sum of 3 numbers. 6 as sum of 3 numbers will be 000, 060, 006. 3 are done. I can have 204, 240 and I can have 402, 420 or I can have 2, 2 and 2. These are the maximum things. Very good. First position cannot be 4. These are ruled out. And signs, center value cannot be 0. So this and this are ruled out. And last value cannot be 4. Very good. Center value cannot be 4 because already 4 here. 4 should not be here. This is also gone. I can have 2, 2 and 2. That is one possibility which is left out. But the problem is, if I keep 2, 2 and 2, then there will be another person who got all pass marks in the subjects, which is not possible because they clearly gave us only 2 students got all pass mark. This is also not happening. The only other thing which is left out is 060. Clear? This is a pretty easy question. The only problem is the set looks a little lengthy to read in the exam. So all you need to do is pause the video, solve the problem one more time and understand whenever the set is lengthy, which means a lot of information is given, which means the set can be easy actually. Okay. So pause the video, try to solve the problem one more time and I want you to comment down what are the answers you are getting for these 4 questions. Okay. See you in the next video guys. Take care. And also don't forget to comment down how much time you took to solve this set. Hope you enjoyed learning from today's session.
This series is designed to help you with your CAT preparation and practice daily. We are with you in this journey.
To watch the next video, click here. And to watch Gurukul's CAT 100 series, study room to boardroom, the entire playlist, click here.
If you learned from today's session, like, share and subscribe.